Hi everyone, this is Febby from Febz Academy. Today we are going to study the vocabulary fetter, F-E-T-T-E-R. Let us see how it is pronounced. So this particular word, it is written, the spelling is F-E-T-T-E-R. Let us see how the pronunciation is. F-E-T-T-E-R. Mostly this particular sound, this is known as schwa. This is called schwa symbol. This is mostly used whenever we have ending with er, like father, mother, etc. Like how it is ending this er, instead of this er we will be using this sound, this schwa symbol, uh, uh. Okay, f, ch, okay, fetter, fetter, fetter. Okay, so now we will be saying the meaning of this particular word. The meaning of this word is, like, when we are normally using it, we can use the meaning that this is something that is preventing someone from moving or acting freely, something that is controlling, something that is preventing a person from being free. Okay, if we look at the literal meaning of this particular meaning, if we are looking fetter as a particular noun, then it means as a chain or manacle which restrains a prisoner. You know, prisoners are bound by some chains. So this fetter is, in this literal meaning, it means chain that is restraining a prisoner, especially which is placed around their ankles, like where people usually used to wear their anklets, no, ankle. So mostly it is referring to chain that is being bound, that is being put around the ankles, which is preventing the prisoner from moving. For example, let us see this example. He lay bound with fetters of iron, which means that this particular person, he is chained by the chains of iron. Now, as a verb, it means to restrain someone with chains or manacles, typically around the anklets. For example, there were no chains immediately available to fetter the prisoners. Fetter means to control them, to restrain them. Okay, let us see the uses of this particular word in sentences. They are fetters to which we are entitled. Means, though whatever it be, they are some like chains to us and we are bound to them, bound to those. Another example is the black mud fettered her movements. The mud, it controlled her movements. So if we, by chance, if we are walking and if our leg gets stuck in a mud, we are not able to move. So this is that meaning. Another meaning which is very interesting is that even though I am married, I do not see the commitment as a fetter that interferes with my identity. So mostly we know that after marriage, they are bound by their partners. They are not allowed. They don't have that freedom. So here the particular speaker is saying that even though that person is married, this commitment is not a fetter. Commitment is not a chain that is controlling him or that is controlling his identity. So he says that commitment is not a fetter that interferes with my identity. Let us see the synonyms of the word fetter, synonyms and collocations of the word fetter. Okay, let us see the synonyms. So we are discussing the word fetter, the pronunciation of which is f-e-t-e. So there are two syllables. Okay, so the synonyms: shackles, manacles, chains, bonds. Now, collocations. What do you mean by collocations? The words that normally comes with this particular word, collocations. Now, let us see the collocations. Collocations are to break fetter, means to break the chain, or to free from fetter. Now, fetter him or her means chain him or her. A fetcher that, a chain that controls or something. Fetters to, chains to. Okay, so these are the synonyms and collocations of the word fetter. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning of the word fetter. F-E-T-E. Fetter, fetter. It is not fetter. Don't say like that. That is mother tongue influence. E-R is not pronounced. That R is not pronounced. It is fetter, fetter, fetter. Meaning means something that prevents someone from moving or acting freely. Okay, I hope you understood the word. Thank you.